else they're not married to. Technically, that's adultery, but Jesus, again, elaborated, and he said if you have lust in your heart towards another human being, that you're an adulterer at heart. See how easy it is to sin. It's not difficult. It's natural for us to do this stuff, is it not? His name and give him the honor he duly deserves. Commandment 4, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days you shall labor and do all your work, but the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord your God. In it you shall...
But Jesus Christ can do it for you. And people rant and they rage against the gospel. The gospel that is a demonstration of God's grace and mercy, and yet people rage against it. Why is that? When God stands ready to lavish His grace, to pour His mercy upon anyone who would turn from sin and trust in Christ. And people...
I'm a new man in Christ. Because of you and you alone. Nothing that I can do with that. You paid the price.
As a new journey of a wisdom, a pure wisdom that is not of this world, but that is from heaven. Heavenly wisdom. So this week tonight, seek me with all your heart and you will find me. Or in other words, I will let myself be found. God wants you to find Him. So what you do with God is perfect.
Man. But she's still putting this. She's a 10. She's a 10. She's mad. Very angry.
What was her deal?
She's